Write true or false and justify your answer. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower is 30 degree. If the height of the tower is doubled, then the angle of elevation of its top will also be doubled. So first thing first, we need to draw a diagram. To draw a diagram, we should draw the surrounding and the lens should make sense. Find the point of observation and where the observation is made from. Join those points and mark the relevant angles and so on and so forth. Right? These are all the things that we have to do. So the very first thing is we should draw the surrounding. Okay, so we are looking at what a person is standing. So a diagram wherein the person is standing on a ground or something like that. So I'll just make it in one diagram, guys. So we have a person standing and observing a tower. Okay, so where is the person standing? Somewhere over here. What is he observing? The top. So this angle happens to be 30 degree. Okay, so if I take x and y, there is a relationship between x and y. Right? Now what they're telling is if I double this up, so instead of x, if I make this as 2x, the question is, will this be 60 degree? Okay, yes. Will this be 60 degree is the question. So this is again x and x, so this will be 2x. So let me make it very clear. So that would be x and dotted line and a solid line. Sorry, not there. 2x. Okay, and label them. So we have O, A, we'll call this as B, and this we'll call it as C. We are done with the diagram. And now on to in triangle OAB. So what do we have? We have tan of 30 degree is equal to opposite by adjacent. So tan 30 is what? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to x by y. So what I am doing is I am trying to get a relationship between x and y. Okay, so we have x or y is equal to root 3 into x. Okay guys, and now let's talk about in triangle OAC. Here we don't know what exactly is the angle. We'll call it as tan of theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Remember, tan theta is opposite by adjacent. You have to mention it once. If not, you might lose marks. Okay, so we know that this is equal to 2x divided by root 3x, right? This is on substituting. Y is equal to root 3x. Now what will happen with this? We have x and x getting cancelled, and this is root 2 by root 3. Clearly, theta is not equal to 60 degree. Is it not? What is tan 60? Tan 60 is root 3. Is it not, guys? Because tan 60 is root 3. And so what can we conclude? The statement is false. Okay, so this is how you prove it. So we'll call this as theta, by the way. So again, the main funda is drawing a good diagram. It should make sense, and then apply tan only everywhere it's tan. So just figure out if it's 60 or not. That's what they wanted. Understand that the angle of elevation of the top will also be doubled, right? That's what they are asking. So we found theta to be not to be equal to 60. That's enough. You don't have to find the exact value. 2 by root 3 is something you don't have, right? So you won't be able to find the exact value without the calculator. We just tell that yes, this is not equal to 60 degree, and so the statement is false.